Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make PDF portfolio into a single PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF portfolio. This portfolio have two files, this one and this one. Now I'll make this two file only on PDF file. Now close this portfolio and select your tools option. Here you will find this combine files option, select, and now open your PDF portfolio. Yeah, this two file. Now you can move your file ups and down. Now select here combine. Yeah, this two PDF file already combine and make it on PDF file, and simply select your file option, save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.